What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You just make a quick flip?
Yeah, I did.
How was that?
That was really good. He was like already there and I was there early, so it worked out.
You sold a watch from 2014 for $100.
Not 2014. We weren't together in 2014.
Well, 2015.
Yeah, 2016.
Nice. How much you get for it?
75 bucks.
75 bucks for a
Bucks.
Samsung Galaxy
S2.
Gear S2. 75 bucks. You can buy them on eBay refurbished for like 60. He ain't watching the channel.
He was young.
Yeah. You get his number? Woo! Brought home goodies.
Wow. What a good idea. Was that your idea to do it like that?
Mm-hmm.
Are these purlins? Is that what these are?
Yeah.
This is weird not having a door here.
I know.
It's so weird. I almost feel like it gives it more wall space though because it's not 2 entryways.
Yeah, exactly.
It's gonna look so clean with metal up. Looks really good. Looks really perfect.
Thanks. Definitely overkill, but it'll get the job done.
We'll have to do it again in 50 years then.
Hopefully.
It sounded like there was someone up there. Yeah, hiding. Somebody up there. Your workers. Got a bunch of midgets up there that come down and work for you.
Why are they gonna be midgets?
Because ain't no full person staying up there.
You could.
I was gonna say, unless you're me.
Well, let's check the update on the door. The verdict is... It says ready to ship. Gets here when it gets here. I don't think it's gonna speed them up.
Calling Keller Logistics Group. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now. 6 for accounting.
So it literally just shipped like today. Special order.
So it should be soon.
Should be soon.
Next week, definitely.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Well, we'll try to be ready. Well, I guess the last video title was clickbait.
Why?
You gotta make another trip to the hardware store.
Oh.
Having a little snack here on the way. Shout out to Mama Straub.
Whoa.
It's F-150. It's a bit more tough, man. Yeah, brother. Roll down the window, get a little sound note of that. What do you think about that?
So cool.
I know.
A whole bunch of girls are gonna be in the bed of your truck.
Dope.
Really?
What? I ain't saying I didn't do anything with them. You can just look at my rear view. Shout out to my dude at the lumber yard. He hooked it up. We got the regular 8-foot boards this time. He didn't overcompensate.
They don't have air conditioning.
Yeah, dude, that's rough.
It is over 94 degrees.
Yep. Hotter in there than it is in the barn.
That's right in the sun right there.
Yeah, it's right in the sun, but they have a fan too. They have a giant exhaust fan pulling out hot air. That's just surprising. But I guess they said they used to have a thermometer in there and the customers would come in and see it, and the customers were complaining about how hot it was to corporate. All they did is make them take the thermometers down so the customers couldn't see it. Frickin' stingy bastards don't want to pay for air conditioning.
That's
But
OSHA violation.
God, that would be expensive though, to cool that whole place.
Sure would. Sure would.
But really though, with the barn, I don't know whether it's just like the concrete or just like with the shade or a variety of things, but it never really gets too unbearably hot in there. Like only a couple days it's been like pretty hot, but I've worked in them and I've never had any complaints, so I'll bet you upstairs is a lot hotter.
Oh, I'm sure.
So, but that'd be easy to get a little AC unit in there and a fan to pull the hot air out.
Yeah.
After it's all nice and insulated. But I don't want to think about that right now. Time to place the last beam. So we're gonna jack this up about right here. Boop, 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 boop. Just like that. And then we're gonna set our last beam about right here. We gonna jack her on up.
Wow, that did a lot.
It did?
Mm-hmm.
It should be alright. It should drop a little bit.
That is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.
Got some screws.
There's shorter ones than that, if you need it.
Send her home, baby. Let me ask you this.
What?
Does doing that do anything?
Yes. Does something, not all the way, but yes.
Can you screw it? Ready? Go.
There's no way.
Unless you can do what I'm doing.
Oh, you know, we have a problem.
You're not long enough? Here. That ain't doing nothing. Yeah, it is. Keep it like that.
God damn.
That's good.
I'm cramping.
As good as it's gonna get, I'll put it that way.
Let me do this thing.
1, 2, 3, go! Alright.
Oh my god, that hurts my neck.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, damn it.
Ooh, that's a wonky squeal.
Another day, no metal, but we got a lot done. I'm just waiting on the door to come in at this point. I didn't want to go too far over because I have no idea how big this door is. Well, I have an idea how big the door is, but the frame itself and everything, I just didn't want to push it. So I'm hoping that I'll just be able to put 2 batts of insulation in here vertically, and then the door frame will start like right here. But that should be coming in early next week, like Monday or Tuesday, hopefully. We can get that framed in, and I might put some metal up tomorrow. I don't know what's going on yet. We're gonna do something fun this weekend, I know that. Take a little break from the barn videos. But yeah, I mean, did the same thing all the way down. It's as close to as perfect as I could get it. Just with the imperfections in the barn, I mean, nothing is level anymore. Everything's shifted so much, so I had to do the wall in sections because of the beams. And I even built around this beam here. I'm happy with the way that came out. It's pretty tight in there. It just had structural support. The wood pins were still holding it, and there was no reason for me to tear it out, so that's why I did this in 2 separate sections. And I mean, this wall is built like a tank. I mean, throw some metal on there, I could drive a diesel truck over the top of this thing. I mean, it's built tough. So everything that we do, me and my dad, is always overdone, so that's just what I've always done. Do it right the first time and never do it again, so hopefully that stands true. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think Lex and I are gonna go for a bike ride and eat some dinner.
Peace.
See you later, guys.